Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Gond bird. First of all, you need to write your name and then your class code. So 1 and then your teacher's name, and then flip it over. We're going to draw this bird. So we're going to follow the steps in the worksheet, or you can follow along with me on the video. We'll move our birdie to the side. So to start, in the top left corner, you're going to make a little eyeball with a dot in the middle. Then you're going to create a curved line with 2 smaller curved lines coming off of it. Then from there, we're going to detail out the beak by creating curved lines around that. Now that looks chompy. And we're going to curve this down a little further to make the head shape, but not closing it yet. Then we're going to close it with a curved line. Now we're going to create the top wing. So this is kind of a difficult shape. You can start with just an oval or an egg shape, drawing really light, and then you can take it and make it pointy and exactly how you would want it. Now we're going to go ahead with the body shape. So we're going to curve until we hit that wing. Then we're going to curve, and we're going to come back around like an upside down U. Then we're going to swoop down for a big belly shape and swoop back up to the top. Now we have to add those cute little bird legs. So that's a curve and a curve with some little stick feet coming off of it. And then we are going to add details or textures within the wings, however you want to do that. So it could be some lines. This is up to you. When we are finished with our details, we will then Sharpie the outline of our animal and we'll oil pastel the inside details. So here's your Sharpie. It's time to trace over everything. Last, we can use white to make some invisible details in the background that will show up later when we paint. This will be a magic surprise. When it's all done, we take our work to the drying rack. Happy painting!